Cypress Semiconductor's EZ-PD-BCR kit enables designers to quickly convert designs using legacy barrel connector power adapters to use USB Type-C and USB power delivery. The kit is based on the Cypress EZ-PD-BCR controller, which supports USB Type-C and USB PD standards without the need for any firmware development. Current and voltage limits are easily configured using resistors, and the controller automatically negotiates the power contract with the source. The controller has a high level of integration to minimize the final BOM and overall footprint, requiring only 8 passives to implement a USB-C power sync. The EZ-PD-BCR controller integrates a load switch controller with soft start functionality, a regulator to power itself directly from V-bus with low power consumption, and protection against ESD, overvoltage, V-bus to CC shorts, and fault detection. The kit has a compact 3.7 by 2.5 centimeter design that is capable of the full 100 watt output specified in USB PD. It has a USB-C receptacle for V-bus input and a power terminal for the DC output, with a rotary switch to select the power profile that the controller requests, ranging from 5 to 20 volts. It also has a 5 amp PFET load switch to let power flow to the output after successfully negotiating the power contract, and a header to access the I2C interface and the flip pin, which indicates orientation of the mated USB-C plug. The kit makes conversion easy. Cut off the barrel connector from an old power adapter and connect it between the device and the EZ-PD-BCR kit. Set the rotary switch to the desired power profile, then connect the kit to a USB-C power adapter and you're done. Consumers will benefit by being able to use a standard USB-C power adapter across multiple devices. Manufacturers benefit by not having to ship an adapter with each product and can easily comply with EU common charger regulations. And the environment benefits as power adapter reuse and sharing lowers costs and reduces e-waste. For more information on Cypress Semiconductor's EZ-PD-BCR controller and EZ-PD-BCR kit and how to convert designs to use USB-C and USB PD, visit Mouser.com.